Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get an API key for Microsoft Copilot style services using the Azure portal. This guide works in 2 minutes and is perfect for beginners. First, open your browser and go to portal.azure.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, create an account before continuing. In the Azure portal, use the search bar at the top and type Cognitive Services, then press enter. If you already have a Cognitive Services resource, click it. If not, click Create to make a new resource. Choose your subscription, pick or create a resource group, select a region, and pick the pricing tier that fits your needs. Click Review plus Create, then Create to deploy the resource. When the deployment finishes, open the resource. On the left side menu, find and click Keys and Endpoint. Here you'll see two API keys labeled Key 1 and Key 2. Both keys work the same way. You can use either one in your application. Click the copy icon to copy a key. If a key is ever exposed, use the regenerate button to replace it and keep your service secure. Just below the keys, you'll also see the endpoint URL. Copy that too. You'll need both the key and the endpoint when making API requests. A quick note, Copilot features tied to Microsoft 365 often require specific licensing and OAuth or tenant consent. For simple Azure Cognitive Services usage, the keys and endpoint are what you need. Always keep your keys private and rotate them if they're shared. That's it. You now know how to find and copy your Microsoft Copilot API key and endpoint in Azure. If you want, I can make a follow-up showing a quick example request using these values.